Avalanche, the Guide's Guide to Safer Travel in the Mountains. Once the file is downloaded, open File Explorer, then open Downloads. Scroll through your downloads and find Avalanche eBook. Drag the zip file to your desktop, then right-click on the zip file. Select Open with Windows Explorer. In Explorer, choose Extract All. This will create a new folder on your desktop. This is your ebook. Once the extraction is complete, delete the Avalanche zip file. You can move the ebook to wherever you plan to keep the book on your computer. Go into the folder and double-click avalanche.html. This screen will appear on your default browser. Read the disclaimer, and if you have any feedback or recommendations to improve the book, there are links near the bottom of the page. When you click I agree, the book will open. Either use the settings in the menu bar or press F11 on your keyboard or a combination of the function key and F11 to expand the browser into full screen mode to get the best use of your screen space. You can skip the introduction by using the button in the bottom left-hand corner, or watch the video and it will automatically go to the menu when it's finished playing. The menu is laid out much like a regular book. There are 6 chapters: the basics, trip planning, moving through avalanche terrain, advanced skills, avalanche search and rescue, and human factors. The chapters are arranged in the recommended order in which to read them. Within each chapter, the book begins at the top and works its way down. You can also click on specific topics within each chapter. Every page in the book has a button that will lead back to the menu.
So the flagship product for
pages with
Avalanche
video
Canada
need to be
in many ways is
activated
the
by
public
clicking on the
avalanche
play
forecast.
icon.
Gets issued daily.
Full page
And
video will
it's
go into
really
the next
challenging in
page
some
when they
ways
are
because
finished.
We're trying to do many different things.
You can use the
we're
page
trying
buttons to
provide a
skip the
product
video.
that serves all kinds of people.
Some pages have hyperlinks. When clicking on a hyperlink, a new website will open. Explore the site and gather the information you need. When finished with the site, move your mouse to the top of the screen and the page tabs will appear. Close the tabs from the site you are visiting and the ebook is waiting for you. This ebook utilizes a mixture of video instruction, relevant web links, traditional text, images, and exercises that incorporate decision-making in real locations. When you are finished, move the mouse to the top of the screen and close the browser. The Avalanche ebook should work with all current browsers, but is optimized for Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Chrome. Please note, Chrome does not allow for any of the videos to play automatically. Please let us know how you enjoyed the book and share your feedback. There will be a free update in the spring of 2019, available to everyone who purchased Avalanche, the Guide's Guide to Safer Travel in the Mountains.